Are you into affiliate marketing and you're wondering how you'll be able to copy your affiliate link using just your phone? Let's say you're at the gym, you just stumbled or you just decided to browse through Amazon affiliate and you found a product that, yes, you want to promote, but you have your phone, you don't have your laptop with you. So how can you copy the link of that product using your phone? This is what this video is all about. I'm going to show you step by step how you can copy your affiliate link using just your phone. So if you're interested, like and share this video and do follow me. Okay guys, let's go. So what you need to do is open your Play Store and you see the search icon below. Click on that search icon. Now up here where it says search apps and games, type in Amazon Shopping. Now when you type in Amazon Shopping, right, it's gonna let me type it in here, Amazon Shopping. Now mine is saying update, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on update to update mine, but yours, you're gonna download it to your phone. So when you finish downloading it, mine just finished updating, right? So when you finish downloading it to your phone, you click where it says open. Then you open the link. When you open it, it takes you straight to your Amazon platform, your Amazon affiliate platform. Now here you're going to just browse through the products that you want to promote, right? If you do not have any product in mind, all you need to do is you click on search and type in the product that you would love to promote. Okay, now let's say I want to promote this particular air fryer here. I'll click on it. Now when I click on it, you can see where the share icon is on the right hand side. Now I'm gonna click on that share icon. So when I click on it, see where it says copy associate link highlighted in yellow, right? Why they highlighted it in yellow is the fact that that is the one you're supposed to copy as an affiliate marketer. Now, when you look down, the second one says share non-affiliate link. Let me tell you the difference. If you share a non-affiliate link, it means that anybody that clicks on that link and it takes the person to the platform, they buy the product, you are not getting any commission because that is a non-affiliate link. It's not attached to you. It's not attached to your contract with the platform. Like you signed a contract, you registered for the program, right? But if you copy the yellow one, the one that is highlighted in yellow, the one that says copy associate link, that is the one that when someone clicks on it and buys the product, you will get paid a commission because that is your affiliate link, your special link. So do not make a mistake. If you make a mistake and copy the wrong one, that means you're doing charity. You are not promoting the link for you to get a commission. Okay, so go ahead and click on the one that says copy associate link. As you can see, I just clicked on it and it says link copied to clipboard. And now you have copied this link. All you need to do at this point is take the link to wherever you want to promote it, whether you want to use Linktree, beacon.ai, Stanstore, any platform that you want to use to promote this link. Go ahead and paste this link on those platforms and start promoting. So yeah, so this is it guys, how you can copy your Amazon affiliate link using your phone. Yeah, so this is where I'm gonna leave it. If you have any question on this topic of affiliate marketing, leave it in the comment section. Don't inbox me because I don't see inbox. When you leave your questions, comments in the comment section, I'm gonna find it and I will reply. if I have time, I'm going to even do a video reply to your questions. So if you find value in this video, comment, like, save, and share the video. Until next time, you're welcome.